Videos are for educational purposes only.
First, we're going to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Now, prep for your press on nails with nail tips. Magnetic nail holder and reusable adhesive putty.
You can't make me, never going back, they never take me. I fit enough of petty dues, I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing with dirty shoes since I was 10, love dirty men are like, ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken.
Using your nail drill, remove the shine from the fake tips. Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Now, shape and buff the fake nails while removing the shine.
All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded, think I forgot. You love me, you love me, you love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m., gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash, won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had smoke break in about 2 days, won't break. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better, you moved on to whoever. I was down with whatever and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it.
Now grab an alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails.
I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love, and still love, and still love, still love, still love, still love, still love, and still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love. Don't eat when you sleep past 9 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel young again.
This is going to be the gel polish that we're going to be using today.
Don't need nobody.
Apply a thin layer of gel polish.
And pages. Sorry, I'm faded. You love me. You love me.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using a UV nail lamp. Now, apply a thin layer of gel top coat.
Midnight, you come and pick me up, no headlights. Long drive, could end in burning flames or paradise. Fake interview, oh, it's been a while since I have even heard from you, heard from you. And I should just tell you to leave, cause I know exactly where it leads, but I watch us go round and round each time. You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic.
The natural prep is one of the most important steps to ensure that your nails last for more than 2 weeks.
We never go out of style. You got that daydream look
K-Goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel.
Just take me up. Yeah, just take me up. Oh, you got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that